yes, I'm going to be building this. I'm probably going to be doing it in intervals because realistically, who has hours and hours to sit and build? I certainly don't. I have a bonsai tattoo that I absolutely love, so I am tempted to do the cherry blossom, although I do really like the green, like the classic. You guys decide for me. Do I do the classic green or do I do the cherry blossom? So there's 6 bags. So let's start with bag 1. Come on, little self. This is so cute. Oh, these are so cool. I'm looking forward to it finishing. Yeah, let me know, what do you think? Should I do the cherry blossom or do I do the green? You decide.